In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find referrals on Google Analytics 4, commonly referred to as GA4. Whether you're a marketing professional aiming to analyze traffic sources or a website owner curious about where your visitors are coming from, understanding how to locate this information in GA4 can be incredibly valuable. So let's dive right in. First things first, we'll need to navigate to the admin settings in your GA4 property. This will be our starting point. Accessing the Google Analytics website, make sure you are logged in with the correct account that has access to the GA4 property you wish to work with. Once logged in, the admin settings can typically be found in the lower left corner, symbolized by a gear icon. Clicking on this will take you to a comprehensive settings page filled with numerous options. Next, our focus shifts to the data collection and modification section. It's here where Google Analytics gathers and stores all the data related to your website, making it an essential step to understanding the various streams of data coming into your analytics account. Following that, you'll want to click on Data Streams. Data streams in Google Analytics 4 represent the sources of data being collected, whether from websites, mobile apps, or other digital platforms. This step is crucial for identifying how your data is segmented based on the origin of the data collection. After selecting data streams, the next logical step is to click on Web, which narrows down the data sources specifically to your websites as opposed to mobile apps or other platforms. This specificity is important when looking for referrals since it directly relates to web traffic. Moving forward, click on your web stream. Here you're specifying which particular website, if you have multiple websites linked to your GA4 property, you are interested in analyzing. This step individualizes the data, making sure you're looking at the right website's referrals. Next up, click on Configure Tag Settings. This area within GA4 allows you to manage how data from your website is tagged and collected. It's a pivotal point for gaining control over the specifics of data collection and management. The following action requires you to click on Show More. Often in digital platforms, not all options are displayed immediately to keep the interface clean. By clicking Show More, you unveil additional settings or features that are not visible by default, ensuring you have access to the full array of tools available within GA4. Finally, you'll want to click on List Unwanted Referrals. Referrals in GA4 refer to external websites that send traffic to your website. However, sometimes you may encounter spam referrals or other unwanted sources that skew your data. By managing your list of unwanted referrals, you can ensure the accuracy and integrity of your referral data. Remember, each step in this process builds upon the last, so it's important to follow them sequentially to successfully locate and analyze your referral data. Also, keep in mind that data interpretation is key. Once you find your referrals, take your time to understand the patterns, volume, and quality of traffic they're bringing to your website. Analyzing this data effectively can provide invaluable insights into your digital marketing strategies, helping you to refine your approach and achieve better results. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to find referrals in Google Analytics 4. This process may seem a bit meticulous at first, but once you've gotten the hang of it, it becomes a straightforward and invaluable tool in your analytics arsenal. Remember, the world of digital analytics is vast and constantly evolving, so keep experimenting, learning, and optimizing. Happy analyzing!